guess what? I'm back.
Shut me down, that's alright. I don't die.
Take a boat ride to work every day. Come work for 8 an hour, brother. Motherfucking 8 hours, dude. Hey, it's hard, dude. 8 hours.
Chilling, bro. There's the V. That's a nice fucking plane, though. A nice little guy.
Did you get it, Thomas?
I got it, bro. Pretty legendary place to work, if you ask me.
Your attention, please. We are now arriving at our destination. Please make sure that you have all of your personal belongings before disembarking the vessel.
Let's go, baby! Flying into the sunset! Go ahead, baby. Flying into the sunset. Well, I guess we're making left, right?
I wanted to be that guy. I wanted to touch the rim. I wanted to be cool, and I wanted to fit in. I wanted what he had. America, it begins.
I wanna fly, can you take me far away? Give me a star to reach for, tell me what it takes, and I'll go so high, my feet won't touch the ground. Just hitch my wings and pull the strings. I bought these strings that all fall.
We want what we can't have. The commodity makes us want it. So expensive, damn. I just got to flaunt it, got to show 'em. So exclusive, this, that new shit. $100 for a pair of shoes. I would never hoop it. Look at me, I'm a cool kid. I'm an individual, yeah, but I'm part of a movement. My movement told me be a consumer, and I consumed it. They told me to just do it, I listened to what that swoosh said. Look at what that swoosh did, see it consume my thoughts. Are you stupid? Don't crease them, just leave them in that box. Strangled by these laces, I can barely talk.